today, very easy and yummy, spicy sweet and sour prawn. So today, I do not know what I want to eat. Normally, I know what I want to eat for lunch and dinner, even during my breakfast. But today, somehow I just do not feel like eating, even though I'm hungry and do not know what I want to eat. So for half an hour, I walked around aimlessly around my food court, kopitiam and the supermarket. Finally, I bought the usual 8 onion, garlic, chilies, must buy chilies. And also I bought capsicum and tomatoes because it looks okay. So I bought those and go home. Then at home, I thought like, hey, I have some prawns and also oyster frozen in the freezer. So I defrost those because it's faster to defrost the prawn and oyster than my meat. And I will cook spicy sweet and sour prawn and also oyster with chive and egg stir fry. And why not throw in another dish? Vegetable, super easy and yummy, lettuce and garlic stir fry. Less than 5 minutes. So that is what I will have today, my simple dinner. Let's start. So that is my easy and yummy spicy sweet and sour prawn. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Have an awesome day. Bye!